Okay, so here's just a quick video as we discussed that'll take you through creating the cost code first of all, and then doing the linking of the cost code to the relevant Southwest Water directorate and subdirectorate. All right, so this is slightly different to what I showed you before because we've moved some things around. But to create the cost code, first of all, click Records, Sites, Manage Sites, and then that'll bring you back then the list of all of the sites that you've got access to, right? So obviously you'll probably only have access to this one, so this might well be the only one that appears on your screen. Okay, so what you need to do then is obviously go into Southwest Water, and in this site info tab here there's an option to create cost codes. All right, this is the test environment, so some of these might not be valid, but essentially in here then you click create cost code. Again, it'll give you the next sequential number that's available. You'll put in the description there, what I don't know, whatever 1526, whatever it's going to be, and then obviously if you wanted to in here you could put something in like, I don't know, whatever it may be. So these are just obviously arbitrary naming conventions and numbers and whatever, but essentially that's how you create the cost code. So I'll just show you, I'll create this one and then I'll kind of just run through it again. So, it's as straightforward as records, sites, manage sites, find your site, he said. In the site record then, there's this site info tab, create cost code, fill in the info, click create. Okay, now that one there obviously has been created in here. Okay, what you need to do then is click on the number, which will then take you into this section here. Okay, so again, this will populate in the live environment and put all the information that you need in there. But the one thing that I need you to do from this page is in the customer department section there is pick the relevant option from the drop down list. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into live now, because obviously that's where we've got the info. So this is the live environment here. This is one of the codes that we spoke about. In this list from this customer department drop down list here is the full list of the sites, the directorates and subdirectorates that Matt Port has asked us to create. Okay, so what you do in here then is you pick the relevant directorate and subdirectorate and then click the update button there. All right, I'm not going to do that obviously because that'll essentially make the change. But when you click on update then, the next time you go into that record, I'll just pick one now that I know has got something mapped. The link to the directorate and subdirectorate will be in here. Okay, so literally that's all you need to do. Create the cost code first of all, find it from the list that exists within the site record, and then if there isn't something in here or if it needs to be changed, click the down arrow, pick the right one, click update, and that's all we need to do. Okay.